Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I always start in the car, but today, yes, it's been 3 days since baby's been born, and today we're gonna go and register him. So basically this is his very first day out, and we're kind of like squashed a little bit at the back there, but we've been car shopping. I haven't actually like showing you guys that, but we have been car shopping. But hopefully soon we'll find a bigger car that will fit all of us properly. But yeah, we're gonna head out to the registry office and go and get baby registered officially, and then we can go ahead and start applying for all the little things, you know, for baby, and all the register him in different places. But yeah, I thought I'd share it with you guys, so we're gonna head there now. So yeah, let's get going then. It's been a while since the last time I updated you guys. We went to register baby for his birth certificate, so we got that sorted out, but I couldn't vlog because I got carried away. We were doing other things. So we've registered him, got his birth certificate, been to the GP to register him so that we can obviously take him to the GP for any medical, you know, treatment and whatnot, and contacted other relevant, you know, places that are needed to, you know, to get him officialized, because he's, you know, registered now, he's recognized as the little one. So yeah, that one is done for today. So I've got an appointment to attend to, and the midwife is coming to see him in the next couple of days. So gonna get all that sorted out. So I thought I'd share that with you guys, and yeah, I'll show you baby a little bit now, because I haven't quite shown you guys. And obviously now that he's registered, his official name is Shaden Zane. So we decided to go with this name because it meant something special for us, or to us. So yeah. So here is Shaden Zane. He's currently napping like he always do. Eat, sleep, repeat. He is a no bother if you ask me. He is a good baby, and I'm very grateful to God for him. So yeah, and that's his brother Shane. Say hello, Baba. No, Shane's not really bothered, is he? So that was Shaden. Bless you, Baba. He weighed 8 pounds 11 ounces. That's like the biggest baby I've had, literally. My daughter, that's like a giant, weighed 7 pounds 11 ounces, but Shaden's 1 pound bigger than her. So yeah, we're gonna see how it's gonna end up being. He's probably gonna be a giant, but yeah, he is a good baby. Quiet, no bother at all. He just eats non-stop. This boy has got some appetite, guys. He can eat. But yeah, these are early days. I'm trying to get, you know, used to being a new mom of 3 kids. I know, I didn't see that coming, but yeah, it actually is real. But yeah, it's so far so not so bad, because the only issue is just how the weather's just too hot. So at night we struggle to sleep, because it's like, I don't know if I should cover him or I should leave him open. You know, as a newborn baby, you don't want to cover him too much, but at the same time you don't want him to, you know, catch cold. So it's a little bit of a struggle at this stage, but other than that, everything seems pretty awesome. So yeah.